kailangan mo nito for additional creative shot. The Move Max Blade Arm. Let's unbox. So it comes with the blade arm mount clamp and also a blade arm vibration isolator. Let's demonstrate yung suction attachment niya. Ito yung itsura niya. Hindi na namin na-attach since mag-focus naman tayo sa mount clamp. Para dumikit siya sa flat surface, press mo lang to until mawala yung line na to. So pag nawala na yung red na linya, kahit force mong hilahin, hindi siya matatanggal. If tatanggalin mo naman, press mo lang ng sabay ito, then pull. Tapos yun, detach na siya. So kasama na to sa basic rider kit. Pero ang kinuha namin is yung Move Max Blade Arm Rider Pro Kit, which meron siyang vibration isolator clamp na specific sa Osmo Pocket. And ito, may mount clamp siya sa motor. Very stable talaga if you're using tong Move Max Blade Arm. So for capturing a more creative shot, I recommend the Move Max Blade Arm. My name is Zoy of Motor Republic. See you on the next review.